Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is Danface Kenyoru, and today's topic is about topographical surveying. This is the type of survey where an accurate depiction of a site, property, area of a land, defined boundary, which is scaled and detailed according to the spatial considerations and is the summary of the on-site data capture processes. These are the elements of topo survey. We have campus survey, traverse survey, plane table survey, chain survey, and leveling. In campus survey, this is the type of surveying in which the direction of surveying lines are determined with a magnetic compass, and the length of the surveying lines are measured with a tape or chain or laser ranger finder. The compass is generally used to run a traverse line, that is to provide the direction of the line with reference to a given known point. The principal instrumentation is a prismatic compass and a chain or a tape for distance measurement. The other element is traverse survey or traversing. It's a type of survey in which a number of interconnected survey lines form the framework, and the directions and length of the survey lines are measured with the help of an angle measuring instrument, and distance is measured using a tape, chain, or an EDM, or in full electronic distance measurement device. The other element is, before you go to the other element, this kind of survey, the traversing survey, is used to densify the control points for the future survey works. It is used where surveying is being done over long distances, and it's very suitable and accurate. The other element is plane table surveying. This is where the field observations and plotting are done simultaneously on site. Its advantage over the rest is that it's simple and cheaper than compared to the ordinary survey, but is mostly suitable for small scale survey. The accessories for plane table include the plane table, plumbing fork, which is used to transfer the ground point to the table, the plumb bob for centering the plane table on the point, the scale rule to scale during plotting, the meter rule, telescope for sighting, the tape for measurement, and the compass to provide the direction of the rays towards the details. The other element is chain survey. Chain survey is the oldest and commonly used type of survey where only linear measurements are made in the field. This is suitable for small areas with simple details, with an area that is fairly flat. Its name is derived from the fact that the principal instrumentation is the chain. The other element is leveling. This is the process of determining the height of a point on, under, or above the Earth surface with respect to a given point. It is used in surveying to establish the elevation of a point relative to a datum. Datum is a reference point with known or assumed datum. As you can see, we have the illustrations of survey of leveling below there. Oh, thank you very much.